We are now going to watch Avakas Gorge Nature Trail. The Avakas Gorge Nature Trail is located in the Agamas Peninsula in the city of Paphos. It was created in 2007. The trail is linear and is 2 kilometers long. At the first 700 meters, the difficulty of the trail is easy, and the rest of the trail is a little difficult, as it has slippery stepping stones. The Avakas Gorge is the most interesting and famous gorge of Cyprus, as it has very interesting geology with constant existence of water and significant flora and fauna. The flora that you can meet along the trail is the olive tree, Olea europea, the Phoenician juniper, the thorny burnet, the germander, the skjol, the common asphodel, the Mediterranean cypress, the oleander, and many more. Besides the rich flora, the Avakas Gorge has an interesting fauna too. Here you can see the red fox, Valpas valpas, the hedgehog, the hare, the stallion lizard, the eel, the tree frog, the marsh frog, the iridescent buffalo, and several birds such as the Cyprus wheatear, the Cyprus warble, the scops owl, the little owl, and the wild pigeon. The path has steep rocks reaching up to 80 meters high, surrounding with 3 meters wide and narrow spot. It is a very pleasant trail with a great environmental interest.